The ratio is 150 books on a library. The ratio of fiction books to comic books is 7:8. So the order in which you write the ratio is very important. So it is the fiction books to comedy books, which is 7:8. So let me use FB for fiction books and CB for comedy books. So fiction books to comedy books, the ratio is 7:8. Okay. If we're sharing this number of books in this ratio, we have to get the fraction of fiction books and the fraction of comedy books. So to get the fraction, we have to get the total of these ratios. So we say 7 plus 8, which is equal to 15. Right, so it means 7 out of 15 is fiction books, and then 8 out of 15 is comic books, and then 7 out of 15 of what? Of the 150 books, and then of means times. So 7 out of 15 of 150 books is fiction books, and then 8 out of 15 of 150 books is comic books. And then we do this calculation. It is very easy to do this calculation. Let me just show you. Say 7, then 15 times 150. You start by dividing 15 into 150 is 10. So it's 15 divided by 15 is 1. 15 into 150 is 10. And then you're left with 7 times 10, which is 70 books. So it means the fiction books, there are 70 of them, right? And then comic books is 8 out of 15 times 150. Again, you can say 15. This is like 150 over 1, even here. So you can say 15 into 15, 1. 15 into 150, 10. And then we're left with 8 times 10. 8 times 10, which is 80 books. We have 70 fiction books and 80 comedy books. And then we can check our answer. If we say 70 plus 80, we get the 150. You see that? Let me show you the second method. The second method, we start by adding these ratios. So we say 7 plus 8, which is equal to 15. So 15 is the total shares of both books. So now, what about one share? One share. We divide 150 by 15. So you start by dividing 150, your total number of books, by your total ratio. Total number of items you are sharing divided by total of the two ratios, or if it's three ratios. So you say 150 divided by 15, which is equal to 10. So it means one share is 10 books. So therefore, one share is 10 books, right? And then the ratio of fiction books to comic books 7:8. Fiction books to comic books is 7:8. So fiction books have 7 shares. If one share is 10 books, then 7 times 10, say 7 times 10 is equal to 70 fiction books. And then comic books 8 shares. So you say 8 times 10, because one share is 10. So 8 times 10, which is equal to 80 comedy books. This is how we share quantities using ratios. So you can choose any method. You can use method 1 or method 2.